Today we're going to be working on picture graphs. We're first going to start with organizing our data using a tally chart. So up here we have the title of our tally chart, which is favorite flavor, and then we have a column for flavor. We'll have a column where we'll put our tally marks, and then a column for total. I see that my three flavors are chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. So first we need to start with our chocolate flavors. It's asking what kind of flavor do you like? So we have all of our flavors up here. So I'm going to start with chocolate. I'm going to go and count the chocolate shakes, and then I will tally them after I've got my total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 chocolate shakes, and I'm going to add my tally marks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I get to 4 tally marks, I then add a diagonal line for my 5th, 5, 6. Now let's count our strawberry shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 strawberry shakes. I'm going to add my 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last is vanilla. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's do the total. I have 5, 6 chocolate, 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberry, and 3 vanilla. So from this I can gather some information. I know that chocolate is the favorite and vanilla is the least favorite. Now let's practice creating a picture graph. So up here I find my data. I know that I'm going to be graphing fruit, and it has my tally marks, which is going to tell me my total to put over here in my chart. And the title of this chart is Fruits in the Basket. So let's start with apples. I'm going to count my tallies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will need to drag 4 apples to my chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look at the bananas. I see that I have 5, 10. So I have 10 bananas. I know it's 10 because I said you do 4 tallies and then a line through it makes it 5. So 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's look at the watermelon. It says I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You just created a picture graph.